The family, friends, and parents, welcome to you. Welcome to the place that your medical student will be spending a lot of their time for the next 3 to 4 years. Pretty much it'll be their home away from home. This morning we're going to try to give you a little bit of a glimpse of the journey that your medical student will take to undergo the metamorphosis from an average citizen into a physician.
So we have 3 designated formal presentations that you'll get to hear and participate in. So the first one is learning to be a doctor. Dr. Robinson and I are going to be talking about the curriculum, specifically the curriculum for the first year of medical school. Second presentation is one called the student perspective. And we have a 3rd and 4th year medical student, as well as Dr. Marion, who are going to speak to you from their own experience of what they wish they would have known and what they wish their parents would have known about medical school. And then the final formal presentation is going to be given by Dr. Platt, and it's called Straight Talk for Parents. Kind of the do's and don'ts, how to help your student, and in a lot of cases, how not to help them. This year, we're presenting some open house opportunity, and you will have an opportunity to go into the anatomy lab to see that. If you do not want to go in, there are several other opportunities on the 8th floor. They have demonstrations of what we call our anatomage table, which is a 3D anatomy of the body. They also will have various pathology specimens that you can see. We also will have clinical skills. So if you would like the opportunity to see your student act like a doctor for the very first time, you can go to clinical skills and we'll be happy to show you their video. In addition to our standardized patient area, our simulation lab will be open. You can see our human body simulators. They can talk. They have breath sounds and heart sounds. It's amazing the technology that we have at our fingertips to teach your students.
Know that we are in good hands and are well on our way to becoming the next generation of incredible physicians to have graduated from LSU Health Science Center Shreveport. Again, welcome to Shreveport, and go Tigers.